Magtanong na kayo ng magtanong. Anong gusto mong tanungin? Kriminal?
Mr. President, I wish to proceed to my next question. Do you know Laod firing range? Nalalaman niyo po ba kung ano o saan yung Laod firing range?
Doon ako napapractice magbarel para pumatay ng tao.
Thank you. Nagpa-practice po kayo
Oo.
para pumatay ng
Oo.
And alam niyo din po ba yung Laod Quarry?
Hindi ko na negosyo yan, ma'am. Yung firing range.
But at least you are aware that Laod firing range is situated in the Laod Quarry, within the premises and compound of Laod Quarry.
Siguro.
Tama
Within
po ba yun?
the premises of a quarry, there is a firing range.
Do you confirm that, Mr. President?
That should be the question.
Do you know Ben Laod?
Yes, I think so.
Who is Ben Laod?
The policeman.
He's a policeman.
He owns the land
He owns the land.
where the firing range is located.
And do you remember, Mr. President, that the CHR, during the time of the former chairman, Laila de Lima, investigated and inspected this Laod Quarry, where they were able to discover human bones. Are you aware of that?
Who investigated?
Panahon po ni Chairman Laila de Lima, Commission on Human Rights.
Sorry, I do not know her. Sorry, I do not know her.
Nag-imbestiga po ang CHR.
Unting pumapata nang di alam ang luha. Ayokong ganito, mahal dinggin mo. Nahihirapan ang puso, sinundan ka ng kusa at nagmamakaawa. Tinalikuran mo ako ng papalayo, sumisigaw.